Home is not a place, it's a feeling. These words ring true, especially when it's come to creating a space that truly reflects your personality and style. Today, I'm excited to explore the world of VOX Soffit ceiling panels, a versatile and functional addition to any home. VOX Soffit ceiling panels offer both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality, making them perfect for a variety of settings, from indoor rooms to outdoor gazebo and terrace. Whether you are renovating or embarking on a new construction project, VOX Soffit ceiling panels are a game changer. Say goodbye to plain and dull ceilings. From modern to traditional, there is a VOX Soffit ceiling panels designed to suit every style and preference. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, VOX Soffit ceiling panels offer practical benefit as well. By creating extra room for heat to build up and air to flow through, they improve ventilation in your home. VOX Soffit ceiling panels made with PVC are environmentally friendly as they do not emit harmful gases or chemicals. Plus, they can be safely disposed of or recycled at the end of their life cycle, reducing their environmental impact. There you have it, folks. VOX Soffit ceiling panels offer both style and substance, making them a must-have addition to any home.